Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Today, we are going to walk through the process of replacing the keyboard on your Acer Aspire 5. This is a straightforward task if you have the right tools and a bit of patience. Let's dive in. First, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and a pair of tweezers. You might also want to have a clean workspace and a small container to keep your screws organized. Begin by shutting down your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Remove any connected devices, including USB drives. For safety, it's also a good idea to remove the battery if your model allows it. Next, place the laptop upside down on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Look for the screws that hold the bottom cover in place. Usually, there are around 10 screws to remove. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in your container for safekeeping. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic pry tool to gently lift the bottom cover off. Be cautious as there may be clips holding it in place. Work your way around the edges, applying gentle pressure until the cover pops off. This will expose the internals of your laptop. Now, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. This is usually a flat ribbon cable. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the locking tab. Make sure to handle it gently to avoid any damage. If you're unsure about this step or feel uncomfortable, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, you will need to remove the old keyboard. This is typically held in place by several screws, often located around the edges. Remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, gently lift the keyboard from its position. Again, be cautious as there may be additional clips holding it in place. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to clean the area where it sits. You can use compressed air to blow out any dust or debris. This helps ensure that your new keyboard has a clean environment and operates smoothly. Now, take your new keyboard and position it correctly. Align it with the screw holes and gently press it down until you hear it click into place. Once it's seated, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure it. Reconnect the keyboard ribbon cable to the motherboard, ensuring that it's firmly in place. If you're not confident doing this, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation or making calls. After everything is connected, carefully replace the bottom cover of your laptop. Align it properly, and press down around the edges until you hear it snap into place. Lastly, replace the screws that hold the bottom cover in place. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten. Before you power on your laptop, remember that we provide a quote before repair if you decide you'd rather have a professional handle this for you. Now, turn your laptop over, reinsert the battery if you removed it, and power it on. Test the new keyboard to ensure everything is functioning correctly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your Acer Aspire 5. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.